Gucokereria kwa mihang'o na gicunji kia 100% nyumba-ini cia ihoero gukuringana na uria mawatho maria magathikirwo ruhonge ruru megutio ni anyiti itemi gicunji-ini kia mbere kiria kiongereirwo nuthu ithaa hari ithaa rimwe riria makanitha marahetwo ria gutabania magongona ma mahoya.
I've appealed to our church leaders to be very conscious of time, because this disease is minimized by exposure. So the shorter the time we take, especially when infections are still rising, the better it is and the safer it is for each and every one of us.
Na ninaomba mchungaji, ukiwa mahali ulipo, fuata maagizo ya Ministry of Health. Hakikisha kwamba watu wameoga mkono kikamilifu, hakikisha wana sanitizer, asa microphone. Usikubali microphone ishikwe kama hakuna sanitizer.
Hindi ya igongona ria kurugurio gwa kamiti ya muungano wa etiki ya dini mwena wa Machakos iria gukorwo ikimurika utiiku wa mawatho maya kaunti-ini ino, muthikabu John Obala akiuria utongoria wa makanitha ukinyiririe gutia mawatho ma mathaa maria kanitha ihetwo cia gutabania magongona niguo matikaige hatikaini arumiriri a urutani wa dini aria mekinya nyumba-ini cia ihoero kuona grafu ya gutamba kwa murimu uyu no irabatira.
We have a system where at each place of worship there is a congregational committee that should see to it that things are running. We have a checklist that they themselves will have and see whether there is that compliance. So this is how we shall proceed. Looking at how the virus behaves.
Kiumia kihituku mawatho kuri nyumba cia ihoero marakoretwo maregerio kuma etiki 100 nginyagia etiki aria mangeiganira nyumba ya ihoero, o mawatho ma kuraihaniriria mundu na uria ungi uraihu wa mita 1.5 magithingatwo hari o igongona, miaka ya guthie kanitha ikiongererwo nginyagia 65 na magongona ma mahoya makiongererwo ndagika 30. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.